Who fancies an unboxing? I am interrupting my crystal making marathon, which will be coming to a screen near you shortly. So I've been having a bit of a mad fit making a load of these. And I'm interrupting it because this box has arrived. And it is from Bekbek, who many of you will remember. That's where I got these little guinea pig moulds from. And she's very kindly sent me some goodies. So I thought we'd open it together. I've literally opened the box. Oops, just get that around my microphone. There we are. I've opened the box. I've gone like that. Realised who it was from. I thought, right, I'm going to get this all out with the people so you can see some things that I'll be working on soon. So, nicely packaged back. That's lovely. And we have got, oh, aren't these nice? Solid pigments to mix into your UV resin. Shiny pearl pigment mixed into UV resin. Oh, I've not tried pigments that are specifically made for UV resin before. That's cool. And there's a little bottle of her UV resin, I take it. UV curing, does that say acrylic resin? Interesting. So this must be different to the stuff I usually use, surely. Let me bring the bottle up so you can have a look. See what it says. Where's all your warnings and stuff? That's what it says. Not suitable for children. I don't think any resins really are. Maybe these resin alternatives like Eco-Pore and stuff, but I wouldn't want to be using a lot of these other chemically things with children. Right. Ooh, another bottle. Oh look, isn't that a nice little torch? Is that? I take it that's UV. Right, I need some batteries in there. Isn't that a nice little kit? Hey, that's a nice kit. So in there was little sticks, instructions for the bottle of the UV resin, nicely boxed up, and the little torch. That looks like to me like a great little starter kit. Let's see what the instructions say. Mix it up. Use the sticks to stir it in and fill in your mould. Zap it with the UV and away you go. Ready to use. Mix it with glitters and things. Yeah. Straightforward stuff. Lovely. Well, what a nice little starter kit. We'll have a play with that later. She's also sent me some little bits and pieces here. Is that a little fox? Oh yes, and some tiny leaves. And some autumny colours and some beads. Isn't that a cute little kit? That's lovely. Those look like sparkly micas or something. Yeah, nice. Thanks, Becca. Oh, dolphins. Oh, those are to make earrings. Look, you get the bits as well. Look, there's the little posts and the earring backs. Oh, nice. Hang on, is this more guinea pigs? It's more guinea pigs! I don't know if you... Oh, goodness, it's so tiny. I don't know if you can see that. This is where I struggle getting... Oh, there's a bigger one. Oh, look. I struggle getting the colours into all the right places and making them stay there. That's where the sticks come in, I presume, and maybe cocktail sticks as well. Now, notice where these are from then. If you fancy getting some of these yourself, bekbek.co.uk, and it's Bekbek Makes. Now I'm going to be catching up with Beck at the Rebecca at the Creative Crafts show at the NEC near Birmingham, England, and that will be next month. As I'm filming this, we're early October. It's in early November, if I remember rightly. So I'm going to be catching up with Rebecca there, and maybe doing a little bit of filming with her. So I hope to see lots of you there. Come and have a chat. I'll be around, I think, on the Friday, but I'll keep you posted. So, Bekbek, thank you. This is a lovely, lovely little set. I have to say, I'm impressed by your little starter kit. So, what was in the starter kit? There was that's a reasonable sized little bottle. Your little torch. I'm going to need some, I'll have to check what batteries I need for that. Yeah, AAA batteries, there we go. And a couple of wooden sticks. And the instructions. That's a nice little starter kit. Anybody who's wondering what to get a friend for Christmas who's a bit crafty, this might be a way to go. Anyway, I just wanted to share that little unboxing with you. So I'm going to go and get some batteries for this, and we will have a play with that in the next video. Well, a video coming up soon. I've got a bit of a backlog I'm still working my way through. So I will get to this one as soon as I can. Watch this space. Thought you'd like to see this anyway, folks. Glad I could share it with you. Thanks again. Bekbek Makes. Wonderful. See you soon.